French Polynesia. See the beautiful water. It's a private island on the Tetiaroa Atoll with 35 villas. Oh, there's a shark. Cool. So this is a protected reef, which formed an atoll. And this island is owned by, originally acquired by Marlon Brando and owned by the Brando family. And then a company leased one of the islands for 99 years and built a private luxury resort, the only one in Tetiaroa. So we're going to explore the island and see where it takes. Not island, atoll. There are multiple islands on this atoll. Anyway, so that's the main area. I have shot it wide. I'm shooting it wide, so probably looks small. Anyway, so a lot of wonderful things to see and experience here in Tetiaroa. So look at this amazing scenery. In Tetiaroa. Crystal clear waters, incredible coral formations. We just saw a shark a minute ago. That's the outer reef of this atoll. And this is the lodge over here. And this is a Eden, Coral Eden. In the South Pacific. Look at all coral. We just saw a shark swimming with its fins sticking out of the water, almost like jaws. Obviously it's not as big. It's a black-tip reef shark, so it's not as large as a bull shark or a great white even, but you can see the ecosystem here. It's quite incredible. You can see the coral over here. And then over here see some formations above ground, and then even white sand. And the current's pretty strong, so you can see where we get washed, we get pulled in one direction quite quickly, so there's only so much I can do to stop and take footage. And it's very pretty. Some more footage of the scenery during our kayak outing in Tetiaroa in French Polynesia. edible coral. We can hang out here all day. It's just that gorgeous of a place. Interesting note, we were at the beach club, and one of their claims to fame is the ice cream or gelato there. And supposedly, back in the day, Marlon Brando would just hang out on his kayak all day. And while doing so, he would take an entire 18-liter tub of ice cream and just hang out on his kayak while consuming all of it. Now, he must eat it fast, otherwise it's going to melt, or maybe he eats it as sweet ice soup. But anyways, that's something I can probably eat a liter of it. But in any case, this is I can see why anyone, not just Marlon Brando, would want to just chill out here all day in Tetiaroa Atoll in French Polynesia. We had a shark sighting. We were able to see the fins. I think there's two of them. Where they are now. Just in the area, we were able to see the. Oh yeah, there it is. It's too far for this GoPro. Anyways, let's see if we can get closer.